Hello, everyone. I hope you are all okay. Today, I'm going to discuss about the spoken IELTS TOEFL set. It's a very important topic of present time. You know this. This is very needed to everyone. If you want to go to the abroad, if you want to do the better something in the world, so the time you have to need that spots. And can you see here is the first is the present indefinite tense. So can you see here, so the present indefinite tense is where this all questions and answer is a present indefinite tense. It's a very important in our lives. The maximum there about 70% written and 70% speaking is in present indefinite tense. So that's why guys give more attention here. So if you want to do the better, so guys, can you see? And first you ask, I mean, it's spoken. Just why you've written the IELTS, TOEFL, and SAT. Yeah, can you see here is spoken especially. But if you see that here is spoken, how to make the question. If you want to speak in English, so but you don't know how to make the question. So that is the way how to make. Also, if you want to give the reading test, the time you can see the huge questions there, and so you cannot give the right answer which type is given that is a written also you can done, and also if you reading also you can do that, and also you can see that if you write anything in the written matter, written part of IELTS TOEFL and such, so that time is what you have to write this part, so that is at the times what you can get the whole all at the times you can get the spoken or listening, also you can get the what written and reading. So both all you can go get here. So that is it. Don't say that is the only the spoken. So guess what, guys, and so you shouldn't learn anything separately. It's because it's a part of English and it's a part of grammar. So you can get the grammar here also. So everything you can get there. So that's why it is not only spoken class. So try to understand. You don't classify huge things. This is a part, this part is that is what everything is the same, and you have to match that. You want to speak better, you want to get a written best score, but you want to get the reading best score, you want to get the word which part is the word listening best score. How can you get if you don't know this word? So let's see. So I'll show that how to do that, how to make the questions the same way as there. So the question number one, that is what, do you tell me something? That is the question, is a base question, is a basic of the grammar question. So you have to know this. And can you see here everywhere? Can you see here? Can you see here? Can you see here? Do you? So it's the base question. That's why you see you have to make this question first here. So that's why the first base question you have to understand. Then you can pick the words here. So you can give tabulate questions. That is the questions, how to make this. It's difficult. Just don't think of it differently. It's the same thing, just to the way. Let's say, which I am telling this, and you have to learn this way. So question number one, that is what you do tell me something. Answer will be with yes, I do. If you tell the yes, the time I do only, not tell the all here. And so if you tell the no, I don't. No, I don't. Second, question number two, what do you tell me? Can you see here? I question this something. There's a here is not something. So it's what do you tell me? What do you tell me? Can you see here? Do you? You can get the do you tell maximum time. So what do you tell me? Answer is I tell you something. What do you tell me? I tell you something. What do you tell me? I tell you something. That's the answer. Question number three. Which thing? The same question here comes here. Which thing? Which thing do you tell me? Which thing do you tell me? Which thing do you tell me? Answer, I tell you something. Because is it what? The question is what here? Is it which thing do you tell me? You can write as I tell you something. They tell you something. So we tell you something. So huge answer you can give the but it's a pattern. This pattern you can write the huge and 100,000 sentence. So just you invest your brain here. So how to do that? Next to number 4. Question number 4. Why do you tell me something? That is the reason here. So answer, do you tell me something? Answer is, I tell you something for your profit. I tell you something for your profit. That is the way. So you can write I tell you something for your pleasing. I tell you something because I want to develop your life, because I want to help you, because I tell you something because I see your better future. I want to see a better future. That is the question set. So you can write use question. So here is what at the times you can see the grammar, guys. You write the grammar here. And question number 5. How do you tell? How do you tell me something? How do you tell you something? Answer is, I tell you something directly. Directly. I don't say anything, say indirectly. That is how I tell you something directly. You cannot use thing here. I tell you something clearly. I tell you some straightly. So that is your matter. Who is expression? You can give the answer. Just you try to understand the question first here. And question number 6. When do you tell me something? When do you tell me something? When do you tell me something? That is a, I tell you something right now. I tell you something right now. That is my expression. I'm telling this that you can give your expression. And question number 7. Where do you? There's a why do you tell me something? Why do you tell me something? This answer, I tell you something at your home. The same thing. So you can write it your places where you want to get that you want to say something, the place there. And next question here is question number 8. How long time? How long of time to tell me something? Answer, I tell you something for a day. I tell you something for a day. For a day. Question number 9. What do you do me something? Can you see here that I asked the question till there says, what do you do me for something? What do you do me something? There's questions. Yeah. Answer is, I'll tell you something. This is very small. Question number 10. Whom do you tell something? I question the word opposite here. Is it there's a whom? Whom do you tell something? Answers, I tell you something. Can I say the huge question, but answer is almost same. It's little bit different. And you try to cast that. Question number 11. Who tells me something? Can I say as a who tells? That means, as a tells. Who tells me something? And so he, she tells you something. That is the answer because that means singular. Answer number 12 is the last number. Who tell me something? And so we, they, tell something. That is all, guys. I think you can understand these words. Don't think, again, I mentioned that you don't think this is the only the spoken. It's at a times you can get the reading, writing, and listening also. And also grammar here. So guys, try to understand. It is not that only the spoken. Okay, I think it'll be helpful. It'll be so much benefited to you to create your better future. All the best. Bye.